show them the shank knot here. All right, guys. You ain't got no other fancy tools. You take a stick. You don't have to have it. But I tie a loop in, like this right here. Double knot, take it both like sides. Tie just a loop like that. You can put the stick in there in case it gets tight, you can break it and get slack in it. Redneck ingenuity, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Grab me that tail end. Show the tail end. Take the tail end of the rope. Show how the rope's around there.
Mm-hmm.
Put it through your little loop. Watch this right here. One person can keep the tension off that. Now come here, guys. Help me pull it, Mike. Now get some guys.